What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's having a good Sunday. Today is a relaxed day. Sunday, relaxed day. That's the day I relax, man. I don't do too much. Just kind of hang around the house, go and get my coffee. And I'm going the wrong damn way. I go and get my coffee for me and my wife. I think I'm gonna take my son to look at some dirt bikes today. He's been doing really well in school, man, and he's been asking for a dirt bike. So I'm gonna see how much it's gonna cost me, man, to possibly pick him up a dirt bike. I ain't gotta get a brand new one, so we're just gonna go sit on some new ones, but I'm gonna look on Facebook Marketplace and see if I can find him a used dirt bike, you know, something small, not nothing too crazy. You know, he's only 11 years old, so he don't need nothing too powerful, you know. But I'm about to go and clean the car up, man. This car is dirty as hell, and I'm gonna watch some football today. I'm upset the Dallas won. You know, I'm a Redskin fan, so I know you Dallas fans are psyched that y'all won. Yeah, man, that's the plan for the day. So I'm gonna head up here, I'm gonna go get me some coffee, and then we're gonna head up to the car wash. Hey, y'all remember this joint right here?
You got the biggest one, the mama come shake your ass.
That band was crazy, man. He got locked up again, man. That's just terrible, bro. They used to be my jam back in the day. Man, I'm hoping that the Harman Kardon system sounds pretty good. You know, I was just thinking about that. I was just listening to my stereo system. And like I said, I made a video, you know, if you go back to my video, I made a video about the Beats audio system. And I haven't even heard the Harman Kardon system in the Charger yet. So I'm not even sure how good it sounds. If you got it in your car, man, you know, leave a comment. Let me know if it's worth getting, you know, because it could be cheaper for me to just add my own stereo system. You know what I'm saying? But, you know, if the Harman Kardon is actually worth it, you know, I'll just go ahead and, you know, keep it, you know. Because like I say, when I order my, when I pick up my 2019 Scatpack, if I get the base model one, it's not even gonna have, you know, it's just gonna have the basic, I believe it's the Alpine system. So I just probably add my own sub and, you know, amps and stuff like that. But I might not even do all that, you know what I'm saying, because I like to hear the exhaust personally. But I was just thinking about that. So if you got the Harman Kardon system, man, leave a comment, man. Let me know what you think about it. Hold on, y'all. Let me order this coffee. So yeah, man, let me know, you know, what y'all think about that Harman Kardon system, man. Cause I like listening to music. I listen to a lot of hip hop, you know, some R&B, but I like down south hip hop because they got the hardest beats to me, got the deepest bass, you know, beats. So that's what I like to listen to. So I do care about that. But yeah, man, we're gonna get into, you know, what this video is all about, because, you know, my car had been sitting for a couple of days. When I was walking up to it, I was looking at my wheels. I was like, man, hold on a minute, bro. Like, this don't look right. So I looked at my my rotors, and they just look rusted and old looking. And when I put my car in drive, it was making a lot of squeaking noise. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna show y'all what I saw, man. Now that I've been driving the car, you probably can't see it, but I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about in a minute. Let me pull over real quick, and I'm gonna show y'all exactly what I'm talking about. All right, guys, so let's go check out what I'm talking about, man. Anyway, so let me turn the wheel around. show y'all what I'm talking about. And I should have done this a long time ago, but I don't know what the heck I was thinking. And that's what I'm talking about, man. My rotors. Let's see how rusty and ashy that look, man. Turn the car off so the sound won't drown out. I'm by the highway, so yeah, excuse the sound, but see my rotors? See how rusty they are, man? It's time for me to get some drill slider rotors for my Charger, bro. Like, real talk. I mean, my car's still dirty. I'm probably not gonna make it to the car wash today, man, because I gotta go over here with my son, but look at them rotors, bro. I don't know what I've been thinking, man. I should have been switched those out to the drill slider rotors. Riding around looking like that. So that's gonna be my my next mod, man. And I don't even necessarily call it a mod. You know, it's just something that just needs to be done. Cause those joints look bad, bro. And I need some brakes, so I'm about to just go ahead and order full kit. So what y'all think's the best one to order? I heard about Power Stop. I heard they supposed to be pretty good, so I think that's probably what I end up going with. Y'all let me know, man. But this is pretty much what I was talking about. I just happened to be looking at my wheels, and I said, damn, man, those rotors look horrible. So I think that's probably going to be the next thing I do to my car, man. Let me know what I should do as far as my rotors and brake pads. What's the best options? As far as I know, I heard Power Stop's supposed to be pretty good, so I think that's probably what I'm gonna end up going with. But y'all let me know, and also let me know about the Harman car, and if you got that in your Scatpack, Hellcat, whatever it may be, let me know how that sound, man. And that's pretty much the end of this video. Just a short video, man. And if this is your first time joining my channel, man, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, man. I see y'all on the next video. Peace.